Well, I thought I'd do another quick update here on what's been going on here with the 1949 Farmall H. In the last video, I had I'll call it the cradle for the transmission house, and I had that all tacked up and was getting ready to tie the front supports to the back support, and that way it keeps everything nice and solid. And got that all welded up good. I mean, I'm not a good welder, but I can at least get the stuff stuck together so it hangs in there pretty good. And then I got taking more stuff off. I got the fenders off, the shift lever. I pulled the brake pedal and the clutch pedals off. I'm in the process right now of getting the, well, I won't call it a drum, but the part the band pinches against to brake. And I started pulling that apart. And let's see, then I got the tires off now. I used the chainsaw to lift them up off the ground about, maybe an inch or so, and had the bolts all loose. And these tires on this 49H aren't loaded, so they weren't too bad to roll them outside and that. But yeah, so I've been spraying the bolts with some penetrating oil. I want to take the hubs off because I've got to get these axle housings off. And while I'm in all this stuff, I'm going to be checking bearings and gears and putting all new seals in on everything. So we'll get the wheel hubs off, and then the axle housings themselves, and eventually I'm going to be pulling the top cover off. So we're making some pretty good progress. I am glad that I am pulling things apart, because there actually was a spot here on the left hand brake where you can see water and moisture was actually getting in there, and when I took the brake cover off, there was only 2 bolts holding it on. So I got to check all the threaded holes. One of them looks like it has a mud dauber in it, but I got to clean those threads on those holes and get some bolts for that when it goes back together. And yeah, I didn't plan on taking the tractor apart this far, but I guess now that I'm this far into it, I'm glad I'm doing it, because when I get all done with it, she'll, knock on wood, hopefully be in good shape and not have any leaks. Let's see, haven't really done anything on the engine side of things. It's still sitting here waiting for me to get to it. I'm going to be doing the rear main seal on this and cleaning that plate up real good, and then hopefully we can get to doing what our original plan was, and getting a new clutch in this tractor. But this is my first H I've taken apart like this, and I am learning a lot doing it. I wish the service manuals had a little more information in it, but there's quite a bit of info on YouTube. But it's until you do it, you're not going to understand a lot of it. So I guess that'll be it for this video. I appreciate you watching, and hopefully you're enjoying the videos. I think I have some still pictures that I took during getting all this stuff disassembled, so I'll put some of them at the end of this video. So thanks for watching, and bye for now. Well, here you can see in this photo, I have it slung around the axle and getting ready to lift the one left side up to pull the tire off. Here my son has helped me get the tires off. They're not loaded, so they're not too bad. So the two of us could move them fairly easy, and we rolled them outside. Here you can see we have the tire off, and now we're going to switch the sling over to the right side and lift that up and get the tire off. And then here you can just see the two tires stacked outside in the snow. And then here you can see both the tires are off, and now the next step is going to be getting the rims and hubs off the axles.